Christine, great to see you. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks, Kate. Great to see you.
So Dutch Bros had another very strong quarter in what we're all seeing is a tough environment for the restaurant space at large. I'd love to talk big picture here. I want your read on the consumer right now and the trends that you're seeing among different income cohorts today.
Yeah, thanks so much, Kate. So we did have a great quarter, and our customers clearly came to us. So our same shop sales were up 6.1% for the quarter. We also had that was really driven by traffic growth. So transactions, our customers came back. That was up 3.7%. And as far as what's going on, I think what the customer wants today is they want an awesome beverage and they also want an awesome experience. And I think our teams are just doing an incredible job of delivering on both of those things.
And Dutch Bros has been a category leader with protein beverage offerings in particular. Tell us why that's so popular and how you continue to build on that platform, especially as we see your major competitor, Starbucks, starting to test out protein cold foam toppings and what that might mean for your platform moving ahead.
Yeah, so we brought a protein latte into our lineup last January, or January of 24. So that has been with us for a while. It's a very popular beverage. It's something that you can add all different flavors to. Our founders were actually dairy farmers, and so we developed the protein milk with all of our dairy partnerships, and it's something that we have in all of our shops.
And what does it mean for you if your largest competitor starts pushing into that space? Any concern there, or do you think that Dutch Bros kind of has a hold on the consumer that you're bringing in right now?
I think there's a lot of protein in the market right now across the board. I think it's something that customers really want. They want to understand what their protein intake is for the day. And anyone making it easier, I think, makes a difference. I do think being able to have it in a latte where you can really customize across and make the drink completely your own is something that's served us really well.
Christine, it's Morgan. It's good to see you and have you on the show.
Hi, Morgan. Thanks.
I want to talk about expansion plans because I know you've been growing and you've been growing aggressively, and I want to know how that is continuing here and what it means in terms of where you might head next.
Yes, we have our internal rallying cry, which is 2029 and 2029. We're just over 1,000 shops today, so that's a lot of growth in the next couple of years. We'll add at least 160 shops this year, and we continue to open in new states. We just opened in Georgia. We just opened in Indiana. We opened earlier last year in Florida. So we're really growing across the country now.
And Christine, it's Kate again. I want to talk a little bit more about breakfast because Dutch Bros is bringing more breakfast offerings into stores. And that's a part of the day that many restaurants, particularly in fast food, are struggling with right now. So why is this an opportunity and what are you doing right?
Yeah, so as we look at breakfast, we have mainly beverages right now. And so what we're adding is some egg-based options in the morning. We're just testing this in a couple of our markets right now. We shared last week that we've been testing it in about 64 shops. So we will continue to add this in more shops. We're really pleased with what we're seeing. Our customers were sharing with us. They love our beverages, but in the morning wanted to be able to grab a simple egg-based offering as well. So we're going to have a couple of breakfast sandwiches.
And I'm wondering about your evaluation of the competition at large right now. We know Starbucks is leaning into revamping its cafes and really inviting customers in. Dutch Bros is known more for its drive-through, but also adding in that hospitality. So what do you see as the biggest opportunity and challenge moving ahead?
Yeah, so as we look forward, the beverage market is really large. It's growing well. We've been around since 1992. We grew up in the Pacific Northwest. So there's always been a lot of competition in the beverage market. And what I would say is I think it's important to really have a strong point of view. Ours is definitely in that drive-through space. We deliver speed, quality, and service every single time for our customers. And I think that beautiful connection that we have with a lot of convenience and quickly is something that the customer really wants right now.
Well, Christine, we have to leave it there. Thank you so much for joining us to talk about the quarter and the opportunity ahead. Great to see you.
Thanks, Kate.